Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt, your upstate chiropractor here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Steve in here with us today. And he came down earlier in the week and saw my associate, Dr. West, and they really had some really great things happen. Steve, you had numbness in your hands, right?
Yep, both hands.
For how long?
Over 6 years.
And after Dr. West did that first ring dinger to you, you actually got some feeling back.
I got to feel them back. I can actually feel texture now.
Very good, yeah. And you guys, this is your third day, so they've been doing 2 adjustments a day, and this is the last one here. And I'm going to finish them out. I saw them this morning, and we did some great adjustments. And how would you say your experience was so far?
Awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Very good, very good. And Steve's brother-in-law, right?
Yes.
He's bringing his wife down next week, so that just goes to show the kind of work that we do here. We put God first and let Him do the healing, and we just do what He directs us to do with our patients, and that's how we get the kind of results that we get. So let's do our adjustment here, Steve. If you want to, we'll do the ring finger first. Land it back. There you go. Set your legs down. Yep, that's called an intuitive adjustment, where we feel the patients and feel where they're subluxated at, and we do the adjustments according to that. There we go. And our patients come here to get the ring dinger done because they can intuitively tell that they need it, right?
Yeah.
Yes? Yep. You see it getting done, you say, man, that looks like that might help me. Lift your head up, back down. That's what got me started doing this technique, is because I would watch Dr. Johnson on YouTube, and I thought, man, I want to do what he's doing.
It definitely helps.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. So that one out. Slide down just a tad. There we go. Yeah. Just relax. Just relax. Yeah. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. Yes, sir. Good. Let's feel that one.
Yeah.
Good. And Steve hasn't actually been able to feel it all the way down. He's a pretty big fella, and that doesn't necessarily always mean that bigger guys don't feel it all the way down, but just the way that his spine is. But his main complaint was in his neck, around where the brachial plexus exits. Actually, I'm going to braid this back up and do your neck. And so he's getting the relief that he came down here for. Just relax. There you go. Relax. Just relax. Good. Very good. All right, Steve. Arms like that.
Oh, good.
Yeah, this is actually one of Steve's favorite things right here, isn't it?
Full Nelson.
Yep, just relax, Lean back on me. Yep, lean back, pinch your elbows.
Oh, no.
Did you feel that one?
All the way down.
Good. All right, face down. Now, some of our patients actually do like that move pretty well because they're not strapped in, and it's just easier for them to relax. So I do both. Now, Steve didn't have any lower back complaints, but we adjust the full body anyways just to get everything lined up, so that helps you hold your adjustment better. Alright, start right here. Deep breath. All the way out. Yep, just relax. Good. Relax. Relax, relax. to see two different guys, right?
Yes.
Second opinion. Put it back. And our technique's fairly similar, but it's a little bit different. Just everybody is. I know I love getting adjusted by Dr. West too.
Both very effective in their own way, for sure.
Well worth the time.
Yep.
Now I feel like I'm 2 inches taller.
Yep. Alright, under your chest here. See if we can get this thing to work this time. Look at that. It was working. There we go. There we go. Yep, just relax. Yep. There we go. Alright. Sit up here. Do your shoulders.
Man, that feels so much better.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, that one where I stand you up and pop your back, that's kind of like my signature move.
The full Nelson.
Yeah. Yeah, I love doing that adjustment. There we go.
I'll be honest with you, that's the one that helps me the most.
You like that one? Yeah. I like that one a lot too. Anything else you'd like to say, Steve?
Hey, come on down. These guys do an awesome job.
Thanks,
Awesome
Steve.
job.
God bless you guys.
God bless you, man. Thank you.
Thanks. God bless y'all too. That's good.